Unlock the full potential of your Shopify store without breaking the bank by mastering the art of getting free and discounted apps. Running an online store means constantly looking for ways to improve, and while Shopify apps are amazing, their costs can add up. But what if I told you there are smart ways to get these powerful tools for free, or at least significantly cheaper? Let's dive in. First, the most straightforward method, the free tier. Head to the Shopify App Store and use the filter. You'll find a surprising number of apps offering robust free plans. These often include essential features for marketing, customer reviews, basic analytics, and even some dropshipping tools. It's a perfect starting point to see what works for your store. Next up, the ever-valuable free trial. Most premium apps offer a trial period, usually between 7 to 14 days. Sometimes even longer. Use these trials strategically. Install an app, test all its features, and see if it truly adds value to your business. If it doesn't meet your expectations, simply uninstall it before the trial ends to avoid any charges. Keep an eye out for promotions and sales. Many app developers run limited discounts, especially during holiday seasons or special e-commerce events. Follow your favorite app developers on social media or subscribe to their newsletters. They often announce these deals directly to their audience. Consider the Lite or basic versions. Some apps offer a free, stripped-down version that might still be incredibly useful. For example, an email marketing app's free plan might limit the number of subscribers, but if you're just starting out, this could be more than enough. You can always upgrade later if your needs grow. Finally, think about bundles. Some app providers offer bundled packages that can be cheaper than buying individual apps. While not strictly free, these bundles can give you access to multiple valuable tools at a discounted combined price, effectively saving you money compared to separate subscriptions. By employing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your Shopify store's functionality and appeal, all while managing your budget effectively. Go explore these options and take your store to the next level.